What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today and moving forward, I want to start this new series, if you will. I'm going to call it Will It Foam Wednesdays. So every Wednesday I'm going to release a new video of some sort of soap on the market and see how well it foams, the lubricity, and how well it looks afterwards. And then I'll talk about ounces, pricing, and things of that nature, how much you're supposed to put into the foam cannon and things like that. Alright, so first product of the series is going to be the Turtle Wax Super Foaming Car Wash Wax. It says it contains real carnauba wax, so ideally when you're finished with this you should have a nice gloss shine to it. It is 128 ounces. As far as I know, this is the only one that the only size you can buy, but it is only $7, so to make it any smaller wouldn't really make much sense. So yes, 128 ounces for $7. So take a look at the back here. It says to put 1 to 2 ounces of wash per gallon of cold water into a bucket. So it doesn't say anything about a foam cannon, even though it says super foaming car wash. So we will see. What I want to do is, with these products like these that don't say how much to put into a foam cannon, I'm just going to go 500 milliliters of water and 3 ounces of product. It's going to be straight across the board for every product. So even with the products that say to add 2 ounces or whatever it may be, I'm just going to go with 3 I'm going to try. I can do both and show you what the difference would be between adding an ounce more of product, but as far as I want to keep the amounts the same so you can see, you know, this is what you're going to get with this product. Obviously, if I added 10 ounces of product or whatever, you're obviously going to get foam. So I want to keep it all the same. So 500 milliliters of warm water, then I added 3 ounces. So let's see what happens here. Take it up just a hair. Alright, so taking a look at that, let me set this down. Let's bring in here, this stuff sucks. So I typically like 500 milliliters has always been my go-to for anything that I've ever used, because that's about how much I'll use to go around the entire truck and spray it down. And it's super hard to see with a white truck, but there ain't much to see. With 3 ounces of product, it is absolutely awful. So this is not a good start to the Will It Foam Wednesday series we're going to have going on. God, I used, I think, 2 ounces. I know it's the Honeydew Snow Foam from Chemical Guys that is specifically meant for a foam cannon, but I think I used like 2 ounces and I got 10 times as much foam as this. This stuff is absolutely awful. I'm glad I only spent $7 on it. Alright guys, so this is going to be a quick one. So what I'm going to do is I have some in a bucket over there, so I'm not even going to test lubricity. I'm not even going to touch it because there's obviously barely any foam. What I am going to do though is I'm going to go ahead and wash off the entire truck with the mitt, and I can still show you guys the finished dried off product to see what the gloss looks like, I suppose. So I'm going to go ahead, wash the truck, and show you what it looks like finished and dry. Alright guys, so here's the finished product with the truck. With the wax, it honestly doesn't look any different than a normal wash at all. Just dried it off with a towel. But yeah, this quite possibly, even in the bucket, I put a fair amount of soap in the bucket, and it still didn't have that much lubricity. There wasn't like a super foaming like it states. I definitely, for 128 ounces for $7, you can definitely see where the price reflects in the quality of the soap. It quite possibly may be the worst soap that I've ever used in my, like, I don't even know how many years of cleaning vehicles. But yeah, guys, so Will It Foam Wednesday off to a great start with a fat L. I'm going to give it a 1 out of 10. There was barely any scent to it. Was afraid to even test the lubricity with my hand through the foam cannon because it sucked so much. Obviously, you know, if you even put less water or threw like 6+ ounces of soap in it, you may get it to foam. Maybe that's where the 128 ounces for $7 can come into winning. I don't even know if it would even be worth it at that point. Now I'm just making up excuses for it. But that is the video. If you like the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Comment down below other soaps that you would like, that you are hesitant, that you haven't went and bought yourself, but you are curious to try. I may have it already. If not, I'll try and get some for you guys. Try it so you can see it and get my opinion on it. So, thumbs up, and until next time, peace.